英超仲有一段時間先開鑼，不過上星期喺新加坡就有由阿仙奴、愛華頓、史篤城連同新加坡聯隊上演嘅英超亞洲杯。不過今次新加坡之行睇波只屬頭盤，主賽其實係試玩全新嘅 FIFA 16，更加有愛華頓球星親臨，近距離接觸之餘，仲一齊試玩。4位球員之中，新魔獸盧卡古梗係最有名嘅一個啦。估唔到佢喺球場上有表現嘅同時呢，原來打機都有一手。最後佢同中東好手更加贏得比賽冠軍。講翻隻 game 先 ，FIFA 16加入咗唔少細節，令球賽進一步逼真，亦都令可玩性同變化更加大啊！實時發現防守動作更加多樣化，例如防守嘅時候鏟波後可以快速起身，減少失位；防守冇大波入楔球員嘅時候，亦明顯更加識得爭取身位同封傳球路線，感覺更加真實同人性化。進攻方面亦都加入咗無觸控盤帶，可以喺冇足球嘅情況下做假腳假身，亦都可以更加精準傳球等等，用嚟對抗更加聰明嘅防守啊！
I think the motions of the defenders is the biggest improvement. You've got players that come in and cut the ball out. You've got players that track players more at the back. So it means that you've got to be more clever when you're attacking as well.
攻守都有好多選擇同動作，操作難度自然增加，所以今集呢就新增教練功能幫忙。
Similarly, the trainer is another big feature, so it's good for new users, but in addition to that, it's also the idea, the concept was that it would take any user's game to the next level. So even if you've put FIFA for the last 10 years, the trainer will teach you something additional, so it will take your game to the next level. So that's another huge innovation this year.
除此之外，女足嘅加入亦都係今集一大賣點。據知今次就有12隊女足加入，動作更加係根據美國女足動作資料完全重新製造，試玩嘅時候呢，都可以感受同男足有咩唔同啦。